All right, let's look at ko as an independent form, ko or ko. Okay, so in the beginning, ko. Okay, just this goes down. It tells you there are more syllables. Okay, in the middle, of course, you begin with a straight line because this tells you there are more syllables in the beginning. Okay, so this appears in the middle. Okay, and it goes down. All right, so in the middle and in the end, straight. Okay, this is call in the end. All right, and then go, you just put a dot. Okay, so go, just repeat call, put a dot. Okay, and then go in the beginning, just repeat. Okay, of course goes down a little. Okay, so in the middle, basically it's the same. Okay, in the end, put a dot. All right, so ho, just repeat call, put a circle, just repeat. Okay, and with a circle, still repeat with the circle. Yep, repeat. All right, so this is ko go ho. All right, so an example for ko, let's see, kori. Okay, so just write a ko, and then another o, ko, and then li. This is a yi in the end. You put a l. Kori is the rules, the regulations. Okay, and then for go, let's see, go jamu bi. Okay, so go, and then you put a one more tooth, gone. Okay, you put a dot here, so gone, and then you write jambi, j, a, mu. Okay, b. This mubi means the original form of a verb. Go jamubi, change one's mind constantly. Okay, go jamubi. So this is for go, and then for ho, let's see, Holland. Yes, Netherlands. Holland. Let's write ho as an independent form, and then lan. You finish the whole thing, you put a L here, so this is L A N, Holland.